Welcome back. Santa Cruz Gram Sabha on Sunday resolved for a special status to Goa. Panchayat faced heated arguments over mega project and garbage menace in the village Panchayat. Locals demanded that the mega project in the village should be banned. Some of the locals also expressed displeasure over the absence of some Panch members for Gram Sabha.
All mega projects should be banned. Whether it is passed through TCP or whatever it is, you first take Gram Sabha, and if the Gram Sabha approves it, then you allow the mega.
Every Gram Sabha एक ना एक पंच येना implement करीना आमच्या पडायला तो फाटी ताका रेंजर म्हणलं म्हणते हे इले हा म्हणता तो विलियम गन्साल्विस तो कित्याक येना तो ना हा त्याच्या पायचे बिझनेस आहे अरे महात्मा गांधीनी पंचायत नेमून हाडलेली आमच्या खातीर लोकां खातीर आणि हे मनीस जाय तो हे घराकडे बसून आपले बिझनेस चलयता.
We as Gram Sabha members of Santa Cruz Panchayat should pass a resolution saying what? What do we say? Do we say abolish the house tax or keep the house tax?
Keep the house tax.
Keep the house tax. Yeah. Exactly. So can we pass a resolution now?
आम्ही सगळ्या लोकांनी एकठांय जावन स्पेशल स्टेटस आमकां जावं म्हणून आमी तें रेजोल्युशन पास केलां. आनी म्हाजें एक काळजान आस आसा की गोंय आमचें सुरक्षीत उरपाक असलें कितें बरें बरें हाडचें न्हय फकत झगडी एसेंब्लीन ते करचें न्हू फकत बरें कितें सगल्या MLAनी सपोर्ट करचो फकत गोंय आमचें सुरक्षीत उरपाक आनी बायलो और सगलीं भुरगीं सेफ उरपाक.
Three-day-long educational event Lex Novitas organized by Salgaonkar College of Law concluded on Sunday with a valedictory function. 16 law colleges across the country participated in this event.
Lex Novitas event was organized by Sargodaya College of Law to provide practical experience of the court proceedings and to check the ability of law students to deal with cases. 3 days long event concluded with moot court competition. 16 law colleges across the country participated in this competition and it was judged by the judges of High Court of Bombay, Justice V.M. Kanade and Justice U.V. Bakre. In the concluding speech, Justice Bakre gave some tips to the law students on how to become a successful lawyer.
You have to engage yourself in the process of self-learning. You must learn from your own mistakes, as also you must learn from the mistakes committed by others. For that, you will have to attend the courts.
Justice Kanade said it is important to convince the judge by placing the evidence in convincing manner to get the judgment pleader's favor.
Those cases where the facts may be in your favor, the law may be against you. The law may be in your favor, the facts either way. So here your persuasive skills are important and you should be therefore in a position to pitch your case in such a way that the law which is laid down and the facts which are available are molded in such a way that you can persuade the judge.
ILS Law College Pune won the moot court competition and were awarded a winning trophy. With video journalist Prajot Gaonkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now news from sports. In the first clash of titans in the GPL 2013, Chowgule clinched the 20-over match against IPCA Chandigarh by 99 runs. Visiting team IPCA Chandigarh were all out within 18.5 overs while chasing a huge total of 174 runs. Suraj Dongre, vice-captain of Chowgule, who had scored an unbeaten 63 runs, was judged as the man of the match.
Chowgule Warriors defeated IPCA Chandigarh by 99 runs. Chowgule won the toss and elected to bat. Chowgule scored 173 runs for the loss of 5 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Opener Suraj Dongre was the top scorer with 63 runs from 43 balls. Chowgule vice-captain Suraj Dongre was named the man of the match. In reply, IPCA Chandigarh failed to make an impression. The visiting team was all out for 74 runs in 18.5 overs. Chowgule's R. Patil was the highest wicket taker with 4 wickets to his name. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu from Porvorim.
In the second match of the day, Sarvodaya Royals beat Dempo Cricket Club by 7 wickets in an exciting match of YES Bank GPL tournament at Porvorim.
Dempo Cricket Club batted first and scored 190 runs, losing 4 wickets. Captain Sagun Kamath made the top score of 73 runs in 48 balls. Vishal Singh scored 38 runs. Saurav Dubey picked up 2 wickets for Sarvodaya Royals. Chasing the formidable target, Sarvodaya Royals reached the victory mark thanks to a fine half-century by Saurav Bandekar and Dubey. Saurav top scored with 85 runs off 51 balls. He was named man of the match. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.